How to use the Spotify app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a Spotify app, easy and fast full guide. So first thing, this is the home page as you can see. Now if you want to search for any artist or music, just go here down below to search and search right here, or you can browse from categories right here. For example, Eminem. Now go to his profile on Spotify and here is his music. And if you want to follow him, just click here and you are following him. And if you want to, for example, create a playlist, go to your library here down below and click on this option here and write a name, for example, play, and click create. Now this is my playlist, and if you want to add songs to your playlist, let's go here and choose any song, for example this one, for example here, and choose this music. Click here and click add to playlist and choose your playlist and it's added. And if you want to see your profile, just go here and click on your profile. This is my profile, and if you want to edit it, just click edit profile. Here you can change your profile picture, your name, and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.